Functional Physio presents ePoster 2020. Associated by Mind Academy and Sportson.
Presenter Debolina Saha. On title: Aspects of Doping and Prohibited Drugs in Sports.
Hello, myself Debolina Saha. Today my presentation on aspects of doping and prohibited drugs in sports. I am the BPharm third year student of Guru Nanak Institute of Pharmaceutical Science and Technology. Okay, what is doping? Doping means misuse of the drugs in sports. It is not a new thing. In the time of the Olympic, hallucinogens from fungi and possibly strychnine were used in the competition. The first case of doping was reported in 1865 against a swimmer who took an unnamed drug to enhance his performance in a canal race in Amsterdam. There are the three different ways of doping. The first way is the physician prescription. Some of the athletes intake drug in excuse of physician prescription. The most commonly used way is black market and another is proximity network. Pharmacists as well as general physicians has a great role against doping. In the table 1, we see the drugs which are allowed the International Olympic Committee. There are the 9 classes of drugs. The first of all is the anesthetic in the local or intraocular. Examples of these drugs are lignocaine, procaine. Another one is beta agonist. In this case, always remember only inhaled beta agonists are allowed. In case of orally beta agonist, they increase the muscle strength as well as muscle weight. Analgesic like paracetamol, aspirin, codeine, corticosteroids, inhalers and the topical, intraocular, etc. Antacids and H2 antagonists, cimetidine, ranitidine. Antibiotics are also used. Anti-diarrhea, the loperamide, electrolyte replacement agent, proton pump immunifier and antiemetics are used. But which drugs are prohibited in case of doping? They are stimulant like amphetamine because they stimulate the nervous system and increase cardiovascular activity, reducing tiredness and muscle fatigue and enhance aggregation stamina competitiveness. In case of the narcotic drug like morphine, methadone, methadone, they have been used to reduce the pain. In the anabolic steroids are also prohibited for doping because they improve the performance of increasing the muscle size, strength, allow athletes and promote the increased aggregation competitiveness. Beta 2 agonists like salbutamol, clenbuterol orally, they are mostly prohibited because they increase muscle mass by improving the muscle strength. Diuretics like triamcinolone, hydrochlorothiazide, furosemide also prohibited drugs because they are responsible for the weight loss. And peptide hormone like human chorionic gonadotropin hormone because they also show anabolic effect. Some prohibited methods according to independent Olympic participant, the blood doping. Blood doping. What is blood doping? Blood doping is also used to improve the oxygen capacity of the athlete's blood. It constitutes the administration of blood and red blood cell, usually preceded by withdrawal of the blood from the athlete's store and later reinfused, thereby boosting the packed cell volume. Again, this method is difficult to detect due to difficulties associated with appropriate storage and drain function of blood. This method is being superseded by administration of erythropoietin. pharmacological, chemical, and physical manipulation in doping. Here we saw the drug testing procedure may be manipulated by pharmacological, chemical, and physical means, such as the procedures are also banned. A number of methods are used for tampering with integrity, validity of urine samples collected for testing. Physical procedures include the catheterization and installation of clean urine into blood, followed by stimulation of voiding. Pharmacological means include the use of probenecid, inhibit the renal excretion of steroids. Epistosterone is also added to the urine to reduce the testosterone and estrogen also. Nutritional supplements like different types of multigrain food or health drink, as well as chromium, picolinate, creatine, many products promoted as a natural anabolic steroid and advertised in the lifestyle magazines, health food store, and more recently on the internet. In addition, purified amino acids are taken as a rich protein source. Recommendations of International Pharmaceutical Federation or FIP to the government: put in the place effective enforcement measures to detect and prevent the illegal supply of fitness clubs and others, including supply via internet of drugs, to improve the performance in sports. Provide adequate financial support to World Anti-Doping Agency and ensures its authority in relation to its independence from sports association through independent national agencies by causing the service of IOC accredited laboratory for testing for drugs, ensure strict application of legislation, the control procedure, and the analytical method homogenization. And recommendation of FIP to Pharmaceutical Association that the promote and prohibition to pharmacists of educational materials on doping design to meet the needs of those involved in the sports, requires the bodies responsible on the national administration of individual sports to ensure that their life affiliated bodies advise medicine. They should inform the pharmacists that they participate in the competitive sport. Participative in cooperation with national anti-doping agencies, National Olympic Committee, and appropriate government departments in awareness camping on the dangers of doping. At last, in conclusion, I want to say the use of performance enhancing the drugs in sport contravenes the spirit of fair competition, as well as can also be detrimental to athletes' health. Nevertheless, the drug doping is here to stay, and effective doping control methods must be in place, supported by education of athletes and health can professional qualify research and internal collaboration. Thank you.